A few moments later. A few inches later. 2 hours later. One eternity.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do a tour of my new Minecraft house. So before I continue, make sure you subscribe, like and hit that post notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload my video. So this is my new Overtown, like not like a mansion because this is not too big for a mansion. This is like my content house, and it's pretty cool, right? It's like a small and modern content house, and I'm going to give you a tour of it today. And I've not I've done nothing of the interior because it's still like a new made content house that I'm going to continue building and then using my brains like on this house mansion. So now, first thing, I put these bushes for a modern look. I open the door. I've still not finished the flooring, so might just finish the flooring now because the only thing left is the flooring, and I think that will be very easy now, and I can do it in like maybe 30 seconds, half a minute, or maybe 1 minute. I'm just going to, and like you can see, like this is not like a pretty big mansion. You cannot even call it like a mansion because mansions are like too big. And if you want to know what happened to my earlier the mansion that I was building, I finished with the mansion, but actually I wanted to behave a little more naughty, so I just blew that house or mansion actually up with TNTs. So I will like soon upload that video in which I have literally placed TNTs in my big mansion. That was like my overturned mansion house. So now I've completed with the flooring. Yeah, so this is it. This is it for the first floor, and I also have the second floor up. It's pretty cool, right? Like pretty modern house. And the next thing, and guys, I've not used any seeds. Like really, this is not a seed mansion. I have made this by myself. The next thing, you go up, put these glass panes as the fence. So this is like another place where I can chill out, and I'm still thinking what to make, like what should I do in this place. And maybe I can make this my movie theater or something else. Like if you can give me some ideas, for sure you can like type it in the comments to give me some ideas of what can I do for my content house, like anything else that I can do for my content house. So this is like the whole part of it. If I show it to you like from a little like behind, like it looks pretty modern. Next thing, I'm just going to show you like all the sides of it. This one is like